this video, we had 456 people, and now we're down to these two. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna take this chair right here. You guys gotta keep moving the entire time. No stopping and hovering. This will determine which one of you wins 456 grand. Carl, kick the music on. Hey, let it play a little bit, Carl. Let's let him soak in it. Carl's not looking at them. He has no idea where they are on the chair.
Somebody's gonna get $456,000 because you paused the music.
Oh boy. Oh, this is the intensity. When will he pause it? When's he gonna pause it? Whoa! Yes! Yes! Oh, no. Yes! Yes! You're okay. Oh my God!
If it makes you feel better, I'm gonna give you $10,000 for coming in second place.
Oh, you're kidding me.
No.
And with that 079, you just won $456,000 and officially won the very first Squid Game in real life ever. Congratulations on winning. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You have 7 days to win $10,000. And obviously, massive shout out to the creator of Squid Game. We took huge inspiration from the show, and I genuinely appreciate you. Goodbye.